Good afternoon, everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use the TDSB virtual library to find ebooks that we can read together as part of literature circles. I want you to begin by going to the tdsb.on.ca website /library, and it will take you right into the TDSB's virtual library page. Come to the search feature. Now you will be asked to choose a grade, and for our grade 5 classroom, you're going to go into the 4 to 6 range. And you can see the list of all the resources that are available to you. The LearnMark page that I gave you at the beginning of the year has the username and password for all of these sites so that you can use them from home. Follett Shelf is a library that has ebooks that we can use, so I want you to click on that. And it tells you that it's going to leave the TDSB site. You hit OK, and you're going to be taken to this page. This is the Follett Shelf. Notice that at some point you will be asked to log in, and you will need the login user and password from the LearnMark page, but not until you decide which specific book that you want to open. Also, please note the menu down the side. I like the genre feature because it allows me to figure out which type of book that I'd like to read. And today I'm going to ask you to go into the fiction page. Once I sort everything by fiction, it will show you all the books that are available to you. And if I put my cursor over a particular book, it actually gives you some information about the book. The title, its author, and a short little write-up on what the book contains. Let me see. I think I'd like to read this Danny Who Fell in a Hole, so I'm going to hit open. And now this is what I mentioned earlier, that you're going to need your username and your password to open this particular book. Okay, once you've had a chance to log in, and I just logged in, so now I'm right in, they have opened the book for me, Danny Who Fell in a Hole. I can use this arrow feature to keep scrolling through pages of the book, but let's say that, you know what, I think I would like to click on this up here, the display options, and I think I'd like 2 pages to be displayed at the same time. So that's how I'm going to set it up. And you will see the entire text. Now, let's say that I'd like to look up this word. I can click right on it, and you will see that either I can highlight it, so I'm going to highlight that. What I also would like to do is look that up, so I can press on the little dictionary and it will bring up the definition of the word. Perhaps I would like to create a note about it, so I'm going to add a highlight note, and it now allows me to look this up. I looked this word up, and I am using it in this sentence. And maybe I'm going to type that sentence. Every time I highlight something or make a note, it will appear in my notebook. And if I click on the notebook at the top, now here are all of the things that I have done so far. I may want to print these notes so I can bring them to class, or I may just want to have my Chromebook open when my literature circle sits down so that I can discuss all the highlighted notes with my teammates. I can bookmark a particular page. And then once I'm finished with it, I can close the book. And it'll take me back out. Enjoy your reading.